What's up, guys? Welcome to Tomi's Kitchen. Today I'll be making my egg fried rice. So this egg fried rice was so delicious. It was my second time making it. My dad wanted so much that he even asked for my brothers. So first you start off by heating your cooker and adding some sesame oil to fry your eggs. And then I whisked 4 eggs and I poured it into my pan to cook it. And then I made scrambled egg. And you want to cook it to cook it. So you cook it all the way through, but don't cook it all the way through so that when you combine it with the rice, it's still cooking. And you want to make sure that you use all the eggs, and you can use any amount of eggs for any amount of rice you're going to use so that you have a lot of eggs. And you can add shrimps as well. So now I use my sesame seed oil again. I poured it into the pan. I added a bit more this time and then I added my ginger and garlic. You can buy that at Asda or your local store. And then I added my onions, red pepper, green pepper, and yellow bell peppers. And I basically sauteed that. I added my... Need to start again.
Black pepper and chili crush. Then
I added my Chinese 5 spice. And I also added salt. And then I mixed that together.
Why did you add Chinese 5 spice?
I added Chinese 5 spice because it was Chinese rice. So I wanted to give it that Chinese taste instead of that African taste. So then I cooked some basmati rice before. You need to make sure that your basmati rice is cold. Not cold, but cold. And then I incorporated all of that together. And then I added my egg. You add your egg and then you basically incorporate the egg with it so that the egg is everywhere and not just in one section.
One quick question. Why did you use cold rice?
I used cold rice because I had to I don't know how to explain this, but the rice had to be I don't want it to be too mushy, so it wasn't disgusting in people's mouth. I added some
oyster sauce.
I added oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and I added spring greens or spring onions, whichever one it is. And then I basically dished the food for my people. They know who they are. So I dished the food for them. And it was it smelled absolutely delicious. My dad literally came out of hibernation to come and smell what it was. Thank you guys for watching so much. Stay tuned.